We're going to do a quick demo of getting, downloading, and installing FileMe. So all you have to remember is anystupididea.com. It's the main site that one of the many ideas is FileMe itself. You don't have to remember all those subdomains or anything like that, but if you do a download for Mac, it's the only choice right now. It's written in Flutter, could go to other targets like a PC, but the only one I need right now is macOS, and that's why it's limited to that. So just click on it. You don't need to give a name, anything like that. You get the FileMe, and then let's see, bring that up here, and we're down in the downloads folder. There's FileMe.dmg. If you're not familiar with that or haven't installed anything like that before, just double click it, and it should open like that. And you just drag it over Applications folder. Here's something. Oh, there's the copy. So when you go to the Applications folder, there's FixMe or FileMe.app, and I'm going to go ahead and I have way too many apps on my command line here, or whatever you call it, toolbar. So there's the FileMe app ready to go. I'm just going to close this up. I'll close this guy, and you'll see, how they mount a drive or whatever when you do that. So when I do FileMe the first time, it's going to say, hey, it was downloaded from the internet. You trust it? I trust it, but if you don't, you'd stop there. So in the first open, you're going to get something that looks kind of like this. I like to size it up a little bit bigger. But open folder is the same as this guy right here, open folder, just so you know. But for the first run, you're just going to get this file open dialog, and I'll go to downloads actually, and the photos to process. That'll be my initial folder. And there we go. I won't describe anything else that we see here. We'll continue that in a second or third demonstration.